Hi, I am Gabriel Dirksen, and this is my intro video to EDL 856. I am a 5th and 6th grade math and science teacher at La Crosse Elementary in La Crosse, Kansas. That's just south of Hayes. We are a 1A school. I'm in my 6th year of teaching. I was kind of born into it. My father is a superintendent of schools at Dodge City, Kansas. This is his 3rd year. He used to be a superintendent and a principal before that at Sterling. And so my mom's also a special education teacher, so I've known nothing but teaching my entire life, and that's why I kind of pursued the teaching field. So in my school, I teach math and science for 5th and 6th grade. I'm a homeroom math teacher for 5th grade, and the other teacher I co-op teach with, she's a 6th grade homeroom teacher, and so we just kind of share our responsibilities among us, and it kind of works out. I enjoy math and science. She enjoys reading and writing, and so she takes the social studies aspect and does the reading, writing, and social studies, and I do the math and science. So that's kind of how we split that up, and we've been doing it together for 6 years, and so it's kind of fun to build a relationship with a teacher that way and work with them every day. Being a 1A school, we only have one grade of each class in our building, so we build great relations with our teachers. And at La Crosse, we are a Leopard family, and we do work great together. And so it's been fun to be part of this small school. I am also a DLT member for KISA accreditation for our school, and I'm also on the site council. Some extracurriculars activities I have. I am a football coach for the middle school here. This is my 5th year coaching. We just finished the season 5-2 this year, so it was kind of a fun, successful season. And then in the winter, I coach girls basketball. It's kind of a change of pace. It's kind of a fun thing to do. I grew up with 3 sisters, so they kind of helped prepare me for that. But I do assist in the high school girls basketball, and that is the coaching responsibility I have. When I'm not coaching in the spring, I like to hunt, to fish, and to be outdoors. Those have been huge hobbies of mine ever since I grew up. My grandpa, we always go hunting and fishing together. But if I'm not doing that, I like to be working outside or spending the time with my wife just to enjoy the relationship we have. And we've been together for 2 years and a few months now. So that's my extracurricular activities I like to do when I'm not teaching. School and community relations. I think it is very important to build relationships among the school and the community, not just between the two, but within the two. I mean, having a relationship with your administrators, your teachers, your students will help the success in your classroom be seen a lot quicker than if you don't. With a small school, we don't really have huge issues with relationships because we see each other every day. There's only about 12 rooms in our school, and we're all different grade level teachers, and we just see each other every day just because of the small school aspect of it. So we have great relationships, and being a small community, there are a lot of partnerships we already have built up. But I think something we can do in the small community is not just reach the same businesses over and over. Oh, the bank will give money to us so we can have a relationship with them, or our Golden Belt Telephone Company. They do a great job of being involved in our school and us with them. And so I think it's important that we can look to reach out to other businesses and not just depend on one or two that we have solid in the community. So within being in the school, I think being visible, being transparent, making connections and building and to build relationships are 4 main points that I thought are huge in doing that. And being visible, just be visible, just get out there and make yourself known, let them know who you are and what you're doing, and that we're not trying to hide anything that's going on in a school district. It is busy teaching every single day, so we can get lost in the aspect of doing our job. But I think it's important that we do make a conscious effort to reach out to them and get their support and that would help for bond issues and stuff. How can I improve? I think I get too involved in my daily task and I forget to maybe message stuff out on Seesaw, let the parents know what's going on in the classroom, have the students visit the local bank, see what the bank does, or our local museum. I mean, there's many opportunities that we have that we could be reaching out to that we are not, because us as teachers, we don't have to be the expert on it. We can reach out to other experts in the field and let the kids see how school and education is going to relate to their real world job out there. What is our school doing now? We do each all have we have a school seesaw, but each teacher has their own class page, and that has been an awesome tool. It's really like a modified Facebook for schools, and it is great to help reach parents. It does an awesome job, and I'm really excited to learn more about it this year and use it to its full potential. Our DLT team, we for our KISA accreditation, our one of our goals was having better community relations, and so we are doing a job fair night in the high school to help our pathways show that how education can be seen out in the workforce and the different jobs that our different jobs our students would have opportunities in our rural community out here, and the different education pathways that you would need to do in order to obtain those jobs, not just a 4-year degree. Some can be obtained through a JUCO and some can be obtained through a trade class like a welding or a VOTEC school. And so just getting that out there and getting the kids aware of what the education they needed to go so they can get on their pathway sooner and find what leads them to their success, because success looks different for all. At the elementary school, we're looking at doing a family night to promote a fun way of getting families involved, not just parent-teacher conferences where they have to come, doing some fun games and some fun activities that the parents and the kids could show off their school to their families, since we do spend so much time there. I am excited and eager to complete this course and see how I can improve my school and community relations, and I look forward to getting to know you all. Thank you.